I believe it's a tremendous need for young women being able to find their voice in the fields of math and science.
Most women are told that engineering isn't for them. In the technology field, there are a lot of jobs that are open for women, and not a lot of women know about that. And so they really should.
BAPS makes a difference with youth across the country by providing access to STEM education for schools that might not have the resources so that students are able to get the skills they need for success.
I feel very proud and happy and excited about the fact that the girls will be learning so many new things due to the tri-state area Ford dealers providing this wonderful opportunity in Sewable Tech.
We learn how to use fabric and other easy home items that we can use to make a circuit.
What's really eye-opening is the fact that once they become engaged in these projects, they don't want to leave. They just want to keep working on it.
We find that it produces better learning outcomes for a lot of underserved and underrepresented students, for young women and English language learners. We just want to express how grateful we are to the tri-state area Ford dealers who are really making a difference in the lives of these kids by helping us roll out the Sewable Tech program.